Dialogue 1. Airport arrival.
Excuse me, where is hotel?
Which hotel are you looking for?
Any hotel near the airport.
There are many hotels around here.
Can you recommend me one?
Sure, how about Hotel Blue Sky?
Is it close and cheap?
Yes, it is only 10 minutes away.
How much is it per night?
It is $50, including breakfast.
That sounds good. How do I get there?
You can take the shuttle bus.
Where is the shuttle bus stop?
It is outside the terminal building.
Thank you very much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 2. City center confusion.
Excuse me, sir. I'm lost.
Where do you want to go?
I'm looking for the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, that's easy. It's nearby.
Really? I can't see it.
Just follow this street. Straight ahead.
How far is it?
About 10 minutes by foot.
Do I need to turn anywhere?
No, just keep walking. You'll see it.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Dialogue 3. Public transportation puzzle.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm new here. How to get to ABC Inc.
That's easy. Take this bus.
This bus? Where does it go?
It goes to Central Station. Then transfer to Line 5.
Line 5? Which direction?
Towards North End. Get off at 5th Avenue.
5th Avenue? How far is that?
It's about 10 minutes by subway. Then walk 3 blocks.
3 blocks? Which way?
Turn right at the exit. Then go straight.
Straight? Until where?
Until you see a big blue building. That's ABC Inc.
Big blue building? Is that it?
Yes, that's it. You're welcome.
Thank you very much. You're very kind.
No problem. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 4. Shopping district inquiry.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for a boutique. It's called Lavender.
Lavender? I know that place.
Do you know where it is?
Yes, it's not far from here.
How do I get there?
Just go straight on this street.
And then?
Turn left at the corner.
Is it near the fountain?
No, it's past the fountain.
How will I recognize it?
It has a purple sign with a flower.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Dialogue 5. Park pathway problem.
Excuse me, Ranger.
Yes, how can I help?
We are looking for the play area.
It's not far from here.
Can you tell us the way?
Sure, follow me please.
Thank you, you are very kind.
No problem, happy to help. Here we are, the play area.
Well, it looks amazing.
Yes, it's very popular.
Do you mind if we stay here?
Of course not, enjoy yourselves.
Thank you, Ranger. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. You too.
Come on, kids, let's play.
Dialogue 6. University campus quest.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure, what do you need?
I'm looking for the admissions office.
It's in the main building.
Where is the main building?
It's the big one with the clock tower.
How do I get there?
Just follow this path and turn right.
Is it far from here?
No, it's only a few minutes walk.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Are you a student here?
Yes, I'm a sophomore.
What do you study?
I study computer science.
That sounds interesting.
It is. I love it.
Dialogue 7. Suburban street search.
Excuse me, sir. I'm lost.
What are you looking for?
I need to find Highway 12.
You're very far from it.
How do I get there?
It's not easy to explain.
Please try. I'm in a hurry.
Okay, listen carefully. Go straight.
For how long?
Until you see a gas station.
Then what?
Turn left at the intersection.
And after that?
Drive for 2 miles. Then right.
Right where?
At the sign that says Highway 12.
Dialogue 8. Historical site seeking.
Excuse me, sir. Can you help us?
Sure, what do you need?
We are looking for the National Museum.
The National Museum of History?
Yes, that's the one.
It's not far from here.
How do we get there?
You can walk or take a tram.
How long does it take to walk?
About 15 minutes.
Is it easy to find?
Yes, just follow this road.
Do we need to turn anywhere?
No, it's straight ahead.
What does it look like?
It's a large white building with a red roof.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit.
Dialogue 9. Beach destination directions.
Excuse me, lifeguard.
Hi, how can I help?
We are looking for a beach spot.
What kind of spot do you want?
Something quiet and relaxing.
Well, there are a few options.
Can you tell us more?
Sure, follow me please.
Thank you, you are very kind.
No problem, happy to help. This is the first spot. It's called Sunset Beach.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Yes, it's a popular place for watching the sunset.
Is it crowded or noisy?
Sometimes, yes. Especially on weekends.
Maybe not our style.
Dialogue 10. Conference center guidance.
Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for Hall 12.
Hall 12 is on the 2nd floor.
How do I get there?
Take the elevator over there.
Which way do I go after that?
Turn right and follow the signs.
How far is it from here?
About 5 minutes by walk.
Is there a restroom nearby?
Yes, there is one next to Hall 12.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. See you later.
Bye. Enjoy the conference.